What are the best Vanguard or iShares or BlackRock ETFs and index funds if you want to achieve FIRE? Now, one thing I would say is when you're getting started out, I would suggest keep it really simple. I would actually suggest you keep it incredibly simple, even where you just have 2 or 3 index funds. One is an index linked to your home country, or one which is just MSCI World, and a bond index. So, for example, let's say you're American and you are pretty young, you have 90% in, say, the S&P or the total stock market index, 10% in short-term government bonds, or you could have, for example, 90%, 45% of which is in the total international stock market index, 45% of which is in the US index markets, 10% in bonds. In other words, just keep it nice and simple. So an international index, a local index, a bond index. Now, for more advanced people who are maybe, they're used to indexing for a while, you can use strategies like using real estate investment trusts. And there are certain REITs which are essentially like index funds. And if you add 10% diversification, many academic studies have actually shown that they have actually reduced the volatility while slightly increasing the gain. Okay, everyone, have a good day.